SOLIDWORKS PCB manages projects using SOLIDWORKS PCB Services. Projects are managed through PCB Services to enable snapshots and collaboration with SOLIDWORKS MCAD. PCB Services is a centralized SVN database which is connected from both ECAD and MCAD. PCB Services resides on the network, usually on a server. It has a web portal that can be used through any web browser independent of design software. The web portal at servername:9780 requires a login, initially set to admin and admin. The second tab manages users. Users can have roles and access levels. The next tab lists the projects which can be deleted, access controlled by user. The Vault tab will list all the SOLIDWORKS PCB created model data that is supplied by SOLIDWORKS PCB to SOLIDWORKS MCAD and vice versa. The VCS tab lists the repositories which can also be controlled by user. In SOLIDWORKS PCB, connect to PCB Services from the File menu. Localhost in the server address would be the server name. It is recommended to have both tick boxes on. Once connected, then access is gained to the projects in PCB Services. In SOLIDWORKS MCAD, add the PCB connector panel from Add-ins. This is used to connect to PCB Services. In the add-ins, drop down to where it says SOLIDWORKS PCB and the particular version, and tick the two tick boxes to ensure that it's engaged every time SOLIDWORKS is opened. In the MCAD environment, there are some settings. The settings shown are the settings recommended. If there is a path in the top box, then that is where all of the models will be pulled down to. Otherwise, they will be put where the assembly is put. The bottom box is to do with modeled copper if you wish to use the assembly in analysis. In SOLIDWORKS PCB, use the SOLIDWORKS PCB connector panel to push the design into PCB Services. Use the push comment box to instruct the MCAD person of the changes made. In SOLIDWORKS, use the pull board button to retrieve the push data from SOLIDWORKS PCB, saving the resultant assembly file to disk. First time connecting to PCB Services will be done in a similar way to SOLIDWORKS PCB.